Have you ever had banana bread that is soft and fluffy, with a dough that melts in your mouth? Today I'm going to teach you how to make this wonderful recipe. It's quick and easy. There's no way to resist. Let's start our recipe by adding 3 bananas cut into slices into the blender. Then we will add an egg. Also add a spoonful of sugar. Then add a spoonful of oil, a spoonful of butter, and 200 ml of milk. Finally, we will add a 10-gram packet of dry yeast. Now let's cover it and let it blend very well for approximately 2 minutes. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Now let's remove and transfer all the liquid to another container. Once this is done, we will add a spoonful of banana essence. Mix very well. Then, we will add 500 grams of wheat flour. Add the wheat flour and mix very well. As soon as it starts to weigh, add it to the table and let's knead for 10 minutes. Until it becomes a smooth and homogeneous dough. And that's the point of our dough. Here it is perfect. Now take the same container that we prepared the dough in, sprinkle a little wheat flour, add the dough, cover with a cloth, and let it rest for 30 minutes. Our dough has already doubled in size. Now remove the air from the dough. Then, you will sprinkle some wheat flour on the table. Now, we are going to roll out this dough very well with the help of a rolling pin. If you don't have one, you can use a bottle that works too. Okay, it will be that thick. Now, just roll the dough like this. Here, if you prefer, you can add it to the shape like this without having to cut it. I cut it because I want the bread to come out already sliced, but it's your preference. Here, I cut it into the thickness of 3 fingers. Now just take each piece and add it to a pan greased with butter. And if you're enjoying our recipes, leave us a comment below from which city you're watching us from. I want to send you a big hug, and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now to prevent the bread from drying out, brush a little milk on top. Then cover and let it rest for 20 minutes. Then, finish the bread by brushing the egg yolk on top. Then, place in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. And our bread is ready. Look how beautiful it turned out. To give it that shine, spread butter over it. Then, let it cool, and you can now serve it. And look how wonderful it turned out. Honestly, there's no way to resist. If you've made it this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10, which rating you give to this recipe. I really hope you liked it. Now I'm going to stay here. A big hug, and see you in the next video.